We're gonna give this a try. Take one. Leon, look. Come here. Leon, look. See? Come here. Leon, come here. Good boy. Look. See it? Take it. Tug. 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 Come on, tug. Tug. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Tug. 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 Come on. Try again. Come on. Come from this way. Let's try this other angle. Come here. Look. Take it. Tug. 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 Come on. Oh, you're getting it. Come on. Try. Tug. 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 Harder. Harder. Tug. Come on. Come on. Maybe this isn't the best tug material to use. Okay, come on, look. Tug. 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 Good boy! You did it! Good boy! What a good boy. Look. Come here. Leon. Turn around. Look. Up. Up. Come on. Up. Up. Leon, up. Don't bop it with your nose, silly. Up. Come on. Up. Leon James. Look. Come here. Come here. You can do it. Come here. Look. No, don't. I don't want you to tug it again. Come on. Up. Leon, look. The fridge is open. Up. 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 Come on. Up. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Look. Up. Up. Close it. Up. Almost. Good boy. That was a step in the right direction. Come on. Look. Up. Up. Good boy. You closed it. You didn't go up, but he pushed it closed instead of going up on his hind legs and using his front feet to close the door. Like, that's what up means. But you did it. You still got it closed. You just did it a different way. Good boy. You are so smart. Come on, that deserves a high five. Come on. You've been out of practice and you did so well. Come on. There you go, good boy.